How to log in Federal Student Aid Loan account. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log into your Federal Student Aid Loan account. The Federal Student Aid provides financial assistance to eligible students to help them pay for college or career services. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to access your Federal Student Aid Loan account so you can manage your loans and stay informed about your payment options. Firstly, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Federal Student Aid Loan and hit enter. Tap on the official login link provided by Federal Student Aid. If the service is not available or you encounter any issues with the login page, look for an alternative link such as Federal Student Aid or login button. Once you have accessed the login page, enter your email, phone number or FSA ID username designated field. Then enter your password in the password field. After entering your login credentials, click on the login button to access your Federal Student Aid Loan account. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can use forgot my username/password link to retrieve them. If you haven't yet created an account, then you can create one by clicking on create an account link. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. You have successfully logged into your Federal Student Aid Loan account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.